Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
How to draw a Christmas tree. A step-by-step guide. What you will need: an A4 size plain paper or plain white sheet, a pencil, an eraser, colors. Step 1. Draw an inverted V. Start by drawing an unfinished A or inverted V shape. This will be the topmost section of the tree. Step 2. Begin connecting the ends from the left-hand side. Connect both the ends. Draw an uneven, frill-like design, as shown in the illustration, from the left end towards the center. Step 3. Do the same from the right-hand side. Draw the same uneven, frill-like design from the right side towards the center, connecting the open ends of the inverted V shape. Step 4. Draw a similar, midsection of the tree. Draw a similar, but larger shape, right under the first one. This forms the midsection of the tree. Step 5. Draw another similar, yet larger shape. Draw the last similar, yet larger shape under the previous section, to finish the basic outline. You're almost done. Step 6. Draw the trunk of the tree. For the base of the tree, draw two lines curving away from each other and connect them, as seen in the image. Step 7. Draw some lights on the tree. Draw two lines across each section, as shown in the illustration. These will become the lights. Step 8. Decoration time. Draw a star at the top of the tree. Add circles at the ends of each section for the decorations. Step 9. Add some finishing touches. Draw a star at the top of the tree. Add circles at the ends of each section for the decorations. Step 10. Bring out the colors. It's time for the most fun step. Let your kids use their creativity and color each part of the tree. They can use the illustration as a reference as well. In just 10 easy steps, your kids can create a festive Christmas tree from scratch. With practice, they'll master drawing variations and unleash their creativity.